How to set up two WhatsApp account on one Android. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can set up two WhatsApp account on Android. In order to set up two WhatsApp account on Android, you'll have to watch this video till the end. So in order to use WhatsApp account or to set up different account on Android phone on your WhatsApp application, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end. So basically, when you're actually trying to set up different account on one same application, you have to go and log in first of all, and once you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. While you're on this page, you have to tap on the three dot icon located in the top right hand side and go to settings. After that, you'll be taken to the settings page where you have to click on the arrow icon located in the top right hand side, and from there you'll be able to see a drop down menu. Go ahead and tap on add account. As you click on add account, now you can just go ahead and mark on the terms and condition, enter in the phone number, and click the next button. Next interface, you have to verify your number, so a verification code or a call will be sent. That you have to set a profile and set a username and all that, and you can start adding people to your WhatsApp. So that's basically how you can set up two WhatsApp account on Android device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.